Muy buenas tardes, estudiantes. Hoy día vamos a aprender del impersonal say. You've seen say before with reflexive verbs and with different pronouns. Hoy día vamos a aprender otros usos. The impersonal say. Say is the subject with a verb conjugated to box 3. It means one, they, or you. It's impersonal because we don't know who is the subject. It's a general statement, a blanket statement of sorts. Por ejemplo, se estudia mucho en CMA, or one studies a lot at CMA. Se aprende mucho en la universidad. One learns a lot at the university. Again, it's impersonal because it's not personal. We don't know what person is doing the action. It's a general statement. Por ejemplo, se come bien en Italia. Se camina mucho en Nueva York. The passive say is way more prevalent. You see it everywhere because they use it on signs in restaurants and parks and airports and bus stations, at the DMV. The passive say tells what gets done without a subject. What that means is it's going to change to match the noun like gustar. That means that it will go to box 3 or box 6, just like gustar. But it could be any verb. So if we look at the ejemplo, se venden tacos aquí. Venden goes to box 6 because tacos is plural. And it means tacos are sold here. Who sells the tacos? Whoever's working that day. But if it's a taco shop, they're going to sell tacos. Again, it's saying what gets done without saying who does it. You could also say se vende comida. In that case, comida is singular, so vende goes to box 3. Se vende comida. We also use this a lot to say when something isn't allowed. Se prohíbe comer en la clase. It is prohibited to eat in the class. It's passive because it doesn't say who does it. It's just no one's allowed to do it. Se permite usar celulares. O no se permite usar celulares. You are not allowed to use cell phones. Again, it says it without saying who does it. The subject is implied. Whoever's in the room is not allowed to use cell phones. Se alquila apartamento. Apartment for rent. Who's renting the apartment? No sé. It could be the owner, it could be an agency, but an apartment is for rent. Aviso, no se permiten vehículos privados después de este punto. No se permiten vehículos. Permiten is in box 6 because vehículos is plural. Peligro. No se permite nadar. Nadar is an infinitive, so permite goes to box 3. Se habla español. Spanish is spoken here. Español es singular, so habla goes to box 3. Aviso. Se prohíben pistolas, cuchillas o armas de toda clase en este recinto. Se prohíben goes to box 6 because pistolas, cuchillos y armas are plural. Se prohíbe fumar. Prohíbe goes to box 3 because fumar is the infinitive. Again, these have the same rules as gustar. Se vende esta casa. Se venden perros labradores. Se venden mangos con pepita, mandarinas con pepita, jocotes con pepita, vasos de fruta, granizadas de dulce y limón, etc. So para repasar, the impersonal say conjugates the verb to box 3. It speaks to things that are done in general. Se estudia mucho en CMA. Se aprende mucho en la universidad. The passive say conjugates to box 3 or 6, depending on what comes after it. It follows the same rules as gustar. It says what's done or not done. Like, se permite beber agua en la clase, pero se prohíbe comer. Both use se as the subject of the sentence. Que tengan muy buenas noches. Adiós.